Hi, this is Pearl and welcome to my channel. I am trying to reach my goal of 300 subscribers. I am so close. So if you know of anyone who might be interested in project life process videos or scrapbook layout videos, please share my channel with them. I will have a giveaway once I reach 300 subscribers. So today's process video, I am doing Project Life Week 7 of my 2020 album, and I'm using the Studio Calico kit. So I have all my pictures placed, and I've picked out the journaling cards that I want to use. I am using the Studio Calico digital print and cut labels for this month's kit. And for the first one, this week we did Pieces of Us, which is a Ali Edwards project, and this is focusing on us. The bits of us. So Monday we took pictures of our feet, Tuesday hands, Wednesday face forward, Thursday eyes closed, Friday half a face, Saturday full body, and Sunday was a reflection. So I wrote about that in that Pieces of Us card on the top left hand side, and I just put my name there because I don't know if my name is anywhere in this album, because I'm writing it from my perspective. So the first one of my feet, I wrote feet. I spend a crazy amount of my time in the car, driving the kids to school and all their activities. And then I go ahead and go on to the next piece, where I cut out the Pieces of Us. I just took a screenshot of what Ali Edwards had put up on on her Instagram account. So this next card, it says I love you more than, and I put coffee, and it's next to the picture of my daughter. We had tried out her makeup and costume for costume check, so I wanted to take a picture of her for that. That's for her dance team. The next picture is of hands, and on the label I wrote hands. With 4 kids, laundry is never ending. I feel like my hands are always folding laundry. Gratitude that I can use my hands. I know I do feel like I'm always doing laundry, but at the same time, I want to be grateful that I can do my own laundry. Some people don't even have the benefit of doing that, so I wanted to remind myself of that. Then this next picture is a full-length picture of me, and I ended up switching it out for this face forward picture. And for face forward, I wrote on the journaling label, pictures from when I was doing my YouTube channel. Grateful that makeup hides melasma. I have tons of melasma and hyperpigmentation on my cheeks, but when I do wear makeup, it hides it a lot. I think sometimes I look scary to kids because my melasma is so bad, which is sad because I used to have like almost perfect skin. Okay, and I do date stamp that using the Felicity Jane date stamp with the Stays On ink. I also use the tiny attacher to staple all of my labels. Then going on to the next page, there's that picture of me full length again, and I go ahead and put that onto the pink journaling card. I'm trying to decide which way to do it. Do I want the picture on the left-hand side or the right-hand side, because I'm going to be covering the lettering. So then I move my pictures around, and here's this picture of me with my eyes closed. And I wrote, I'm always so exhausted that I have to lay down in the afternoon. As I've gotten older, I'm not sure what is going on. Everyone, the physicians and stuff tell me that I'm fine, but I'm so exhausted that I can't get anything done in the late afternoons. I'm not sure what that's about, but it could just be menopause or part of my depression. I don't know. So this half face, I wrote, I finally accepted my looks exactly as I am, and I'm grateful for the laughter lines and sunspots for the experiences I've had. So I wanted to write that. I have come to a place where I've accepted how I look. It's something that unfortunately women struggle with. So I'm going through some of my chipboards, trying to decide which chipboards I'm going to use. And I use that black chipboard that says, so glad to know you in life. And I'm talking about myself, and I put that on the full-length picture I have. That's me in my jammies and my hair up in a turban. For the full body, I wrote, I'm grateful to be able to shower. My favorite outfit is to be in my jammies. The 25-year-old sweatshirt from the University of Madrid, my Ugg slippers, and hair up if I'm at home. I'm in my jammies, at least lately. So I write that. And then I go on to the next picture, which is a reflection. And I'm with my daughter, and I think we were at a movie theater, and I just was watching her dry her hands in under the hand dryer, and I took a picture of us as a reflection. And I wrote, I see my reflection every time I look at Kaya. It's like looking in the mirror, which it totally is. Now I could have taken a picture of us just in the mirror, but since we were there at the movie theater and I caught that right when it happened, I decided to go ahead and use this picture. Now under happy things, I wrote, Miss Mindy asked if I would make hair bows for the Hot Tots dance team. I said yes, even though I've never made a hair bow before. Amazon orders, trips to Joann's, and 3 days of fussing and watching YouTube videos, I finally learned how to make them. Then I made 10 pairs and sold them at cost. I have blue fluff all over the house now, which I do. Yeah, my return on investment for 3 days of work and the cost of that is not worth it, but I did enjoy making hair bows for the dance team. Now here's a picture of Kaya. Kaya's costume check for her Maniac costume. I did have to embellish her costume as well. I glued Swarovski crystals all over. You can't see it in this picture, but I did end up having, I did not do it yet, but I'm going to have to put Swarovski crystals all over her flash dance and her little panty and bra set, as well as her leg warmers. So now I'm going through the embellishment kit. I have both sides of the layout there, and I take that one that says this month was full of regular life, and I'm going to put that on that half face picture right there. I'm going to use the little heart chipboard that says love us, and I'm going to put that on the reflections. I also look at the stamp set to see if I want to stamp anything and decide no. I go through another chipboard that says dreams come true, and I put that next to the one where I'm resting. Then here's another chipboard that says stay golden, and I put that on my full face forward picture. I did use a wood grain heart, and I put that under the coffee. I'm using just this with a heart on the reflection picture with my daughter. And then I also put another chipboard. This is of a green, like roundish, squarish flower, and I put that on my feet, or foot picture, I should say, because it's only one. I only captured one foot. And then, excuse me. Then there are these heart stickers that I'm going to start putting all around my layout. The one I put on the picture of my daughter in her flash dance says love. The one that I put on her in her costume says this. I'm trying to decide where else I want to put it. The pink sticker says today on the face forward picture. I'm looking, and then I put a big red heart that says this story on my full body photo. Now the other thing that this kit came with are acetate hearts. So I'm going to make sure I do use those, and I'm going to adhere those by using staples because I don't want to put adhesive on the other side because you can see through that. So I'm going to go throughout my layout and just put the acetate hearts where there's some blank spots, and I staple them, and I have a lot of them going off the edge, and I'll cut off the edge of the acetate hearts so that they fit into whichever pocket that they need to go into. So like the one of me taking a nap, I have it coming off the edge a little bit on the bottom there. I did stamp a little story about life on that photo as well. So as I go through and put the hearts acetates down, I think I am done. Oh, one more there. No, I end up not putting it there because I forgot to number the week, which is week 7. I'm going to go ahead and get some Felicity Jane Alphas letter stickers, and I'm going to put 07 onto the title card, which is the very left 3x4 card. I end up numbering the layout after the fact because I didn't notice it at the time that it was missing. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share it with your friends, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.